Hi there, got a parcel here signed for. It says 1 gram. Let's see. That's a very long blue coach, German blue coach, from Austria, and I can tell something is missing here. At least one wheel from this Roco coach is missing. I wonder why they all seem to be glued down. They don't roll great. And then we have here, what else do we have here? It says Arnold. It doesn't look like an Arnold locomotive. It's a Fleischmann locomotive. Again, this white stuff. It's been sitting in paint or plaster. Ooh. It's not very promising to see this here. What else have we got? Oh, another little loco. This one is a Roco, so also the wrong box. And what else? 2 more coaches. Oh, flat wagons. They're nice. Well, he made these. That's Arnold Rapido ones. Ah, here we go. So we've got now power on the track, and let's put the locomotives on the track. Oh, well, that's a joy. Oh, that's beautiful. So this one is running perfectly well. Well, this is a Roco, works on DC perfectly well, and it's in very good state actually. Now I think the Fleischmann will not disappoint us, I hope. Okay, pressure is on. It's budging a bit, not as much as it could. It's a bit. I think it's just that the wheels are a bit dirty. And also here the rubber bands are a bit out of place. But when you turn it around, if I apply power directly to the loco, but from you can tell I have to clean the wheels thoroughly, but the loco definitely runs very smoothly. Yeah, I mean, if having plaster here, having plaster on your wheels will interfere with picking up electricity. It's not a good idea. Right, I think overall that's a rather good purchase here. I'm very happy with this. I hope you've enjoyed this, and please subscribe, and thanks for watching.